Most business owners have assets that are subject to threats of creditors. They don't realize that if they own a corporation, that stock can be seized. In Louisiana, they can even come after your home if they get a judgment that's in excess of your insurance policy limits. There are numerous ways that we can help you protect this by setting up LLC and trust structures and the utilization of a properly designed domestic asset protection trust. And those domestic asset protection trusts can provide for protection of your assets from future creditors if you proactively plan. It's critically important to understand that you must proactively plan in order to protect those assets from the creditors. If you have an existing lawsuit against you, it's too late, as most states have a fraudulent conveyance, or in Louisiana we call it a revocatory action, that will invalidate asset transfer that was done in advance of a lawsuit that's already been filed. Sadly, I've seen one critical mistake cost a family anywhere from hundreds of thousands of dollars to millions of dollars. It doesn't have to be this way. Hi, I'm Todd Villarubia. For 30 years as a tax attorney and board-certified expert in estate planning, I've helped thousands of business owners protect billions of dollars from the government, taxes, and creditors. You've worked hard all your life, and little did you realize that one mistake can ruin everything you've built throughout your lifetime. It's important that you meet with somebody that has a lot of experience in dealing with lawsuits and trying to protect people's assets. And with the proper utilization of LLCs and trust structures, we can help you protect everything you have for generations to come. The threats that you face as a business owner are numerous and constant, and it's important that you be aware of those, that we get proper insurance so that you have those protections, and that we set up appropriate legal structures so that all of your assets can be individually contained and protected within LLC and trust protections. The first step will be filling out a comprehensive intake form that we have online that our staff will send you. And that online intake may take an hour for you to fill out, but once it's completed, we'll have all the information that we need in order to help you protect you and everything that you have. Next, we'll ask a bunch of questions relative to your family. And if you have blended families, the complications can be even more significant. But in the hands of a trusted, experienced attorney, we can help you decide what to do based on all the pros and cons of the different options that are available to you. Next, we'll look at different assets that can actually be protected from creditors by state and federal law. Examples of these include retirement accounts like 401ks, 403bs, and my favorite, which is 412(e)(3) plans, but also the cash value of life insurance, annuities, and $75,000 of your home equity are all protected by law from your creditors. Additional assets can be protected with proper advanced planning. Once we see all your assets, the next step, we will design a custom designed, bespoke solution for all of your assets, and we'll explain the multiple benefits that can be achieved through doing this planning process. Don't wait another day. You've spent your whole life planning and saving and building your wealth. Don't let it all be subjected to the threats of creditors that could ruin everything you've spent a lifetime building. Call us today for your free 1-hour consultation, and we'll be happy to get started protecting everything you have for generations to come.